Good morning, people. It is 4:23 in the morning. I've now been up for an hour and we are walking up to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Today it is just me and Hannah. Kaylee is blocked out. Say good morning, Hannah.
Good morning.
It's a little rough. I need a nap, but worth it. Worth it, worth it, worth it, I hope. God, I hope it's worth it. Okay, we will see you guys inside. I am getting, I can't even words right now, input from someone that I know that is inside, that the crowd is very excited. It's a little crazy in there. They already let people in, not to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, just in the gates of Hollywood Studios. So, we'll see you in there. Okay, good talk.
I see some empty space over here.
Gotcha. Hello. Thank you. The time is now 4:46. They walked us back. We are standing, wow, my ears look really sparkly. Okay, we're standing right by Baseline Tap House. There are people all the way down to Batuu. This actually, I expected us to be further back, quite frankly, considering we didn't get here till 4:20ish. But yeah, so we've been here like 25 minutes. Everyone is super excited. There's a lot of lightsabers in the crowd. So, we will see. I'm betting they open by 5. I think they're gonna open the gate to Batuu by 5. I don't think they would have walked us back if they weren't planning on letting us in soon. So, fingers crossed. They're opening right now. I just updated you like 2 minutes ago, but they're opening now, I think. Yay. Okay. I think we're going into Batuu. And there's a lightsaber. A lightsaber behind me. Okay, so it's now 5:10. We are back. They are wrapping the queue back all the way through Batuu, and then we're basically standing next to alien swirling saucers. So I think this is going pretty smoothly. No major complaints at all. It's a little hot. That's a complaint. It's a little hot, just because there's a lot of people here. But we're doing okay. We're doing great. I think we will be out of here. I think we'll be done on the ride by 9. And that's being like generous. Like, I think we'll probably be out of here a lot sooner than that. But my guess is we will be done in Hollywood Studios by 9. So we will see.
That's
You think so?
I would say
We will absolutely be out of here by
10 or
noon.
11.
Okay. I think we may try to hit the merch.
Okay.
I would like to go see Rey and Chewie. But
No.
I think the line's gonna be too crazy and it's gonna be too hot. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're playing it by ear. The time is now 6:45 a.m. We are moving. I'm pretty sure we're getting close. I don't really know that for sure, but I'm pretty sure we're getting close. Yeah, we've been in line now for probably, they opened the land about 2 hours ago. So, you know, and then it took a while to actually get to the line. So, it's a little loud in here, but yeah.
ahead to the left-hand side, please.
Unfortunately, difficult difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
How about one of the engines blew up again?
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Valerian Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You are my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
Right behind, and you two are traveling with them, okay? Okay. And you guys have to work together, so make sure you get to know each other. We've got about 5 seconds. You're gonna be the glove for the green, and you're gonna be the engineer for the green.
Thank you. I've heard we have to hope that the pilots suck at their job, or it's not fun for the engineer. Oh well. We've got our boarding passes. We are engineers. So, we're finally getting on. What time is it? It is 6:07. It is not 6:07?
No, 7:07.
Why does my watch say 6:07? That's weird. Let's see. No, Hannah, it is 6:07.
7:07.
Why does my... Okay, my phone and my watch have changed their time, so that's a little weird, but I think it's 7:07, pretty sure. But we're finally going on, so we'll see you in there.
I got it! Okay.
Pilot, hit the booster.
Hit the booster, see? There you go!
Go get that go. Make the jump to light speed.
Okay.
Those heavy guns are protecting the train. Take them out. Take evasive action. Excellent, my friends.
Oh my God. Okay, that's good.
Go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend.
Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, we're good.
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Okay. Hey, behind the crate.
Behind the crate. Do you see those big white crates?
There you go, baby. There you go. Yeah. Got this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
A distraction! Fire the missiles at the crate!
Fire! Fire! Yes!
Let's get out of here!
Okay, let's go! Yeah. Oh! Okay, I thought we were done! We're good!
Will greatly help the resistance.
Down!
The first order and made Chewie.
Yes!
Your god.
That was so awesome!
Watching the Falcon.
Oh, that was good!
Hey, not bad.
Yeah, we did that! Oh, look at that! 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 That was good. Oh, that was fun. Oh, 36% accuracy.
All
That's
right,
pretty bad.
damage report. Engine failure. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Lights are not bad.
That is awesome.
All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, go on.
Oh, really?
That's fair. That's fair.
All available techs, we have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiees sees it.
That was so cool.
I don't know if I needed Dramamine.
Me and you disagree.
The guy did.
What?
The guy did. Oh.
Alright, we have successfully completed Smuggler's Run. Did we win? I don't even know. She said that it wasn't the best she'd ever seen, but it also wasn't the worst. So I feel like we did pretty well. But I don't know. Now I think we're gonna go try to track down an opening day pin, and then we're going back to bed. The time is now 8:10 and we are done in Hollywood Studios. We've been here since about 4:25, I would say. We rode Smuggler's Run, we walked around, we took pictures, we waited for Smuggler's Run, we got on like, I don't even know, 7:15ish. And then when we came out, we walked around a little bit, not too much. All the merchandise was like crazy long for the lines in Galaxy's Edge, so we kept walking. We came out Grand Avenue and we found they reopened one of the stores that's been closed all week. So I got this pin And then I also got this limited edition pin. Ray is my favorite character, so obviously I had to get a Ray pin. Hannah is buying a t-shirt for her boyfriend Joe. And then we are getting on a bus back to All-Star Movies, and I am going back to bed. Later on tonight, we are going to Epcot for the opening of Food and Wine Festival and the Plain White T's concert. So that's going to be a different vlog just because this is a really long day. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later today, but in another video.